August is a great time to be in the garden in the South Island. It might be a bit cold and damp, but if you get out and do the preparation in your garden, you'll be ready for spring. Here are some ideas for what you can do in August for your garden. So in the South Island this month we're planting strawberries. So the varieties are Camarosa, St. Antonius, Temptation. Roma's my favourite because it's nice and juicy. So strawberries can be planted anywhere from the garden to your planter pots, planter beds and hanging baskets. Once you put them in, it's pretty much they do their own thing. And don't forget our perfect plant promise. All our plants except seedlings are guaranteed for 12 months. If you're not 100% happy, return your plant with receipt or tax invoice and we'll refund it. Other shrubs you could be planting are camellias, azaleas and lavenders. And don't forget, New Zealand's favourite is heavies. In terms of edibles, if you've got a warm spot, we should be planting tomatoes, lettuces and beans. In fact, beetroot or carrots are best grown as seeds. It's also a good time to plant deciduous fruit trees while they're dormant. There's plenty of things to harvest in your garden in August, such as parsnip, cabbage, silver beet, spinach, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, broccoli and celery. There's plenty to do in the garden in August. First thing to do is to prune your fruit trees. Pruning is good to promote new growth and let light into the tree. It's also a good time to prune any berries. In warm areas, it's a good time to fertilise fruit trees. Use a slow release fertiliser. If you don't know what fertiliser to use, just come into store and we'll point you in the right direction. Prepare your beds for veggie season. A blend of compost and sheep pellets creates an awesome brew for healthy growth. So there you go, there's plenty to do in the garden in August, and if you have any questions, just come in and ask the garden expert. Click here for more garden advice. Click here to go back to the website.